Hey, it's Zeb. Thais and I are going car camping. We're going to pitch up by a lake, try out our new tent, and cook some awesome food over the campfire. But first, a bit of rock climbing. Well, we're back on the road again. Had a fun time climbing. Nothing hard, just a couple of chill climbs. But it was nice to get out and use the gear a bit. We're heading to our campsite now. We're going to get there around 3 o'clock-ish. And we'll still have a couple hours light left to get set up. It's an absolutely beautiful day. It's going to be a cold night. We're looking forward to it. Well, we've made it to our campsite. Got beautiful lake views. We're going to set up the tent over there. Got a fire pit and a picnic table as well. So it's a really nice spot. We've come here before and we really like it here.
Hello, there's our new tent that we got for a very exciting trip coming up very shortly.
We can't spoil it yet though.
Can't spoil it yet, but it will be a 2-month adventure. That's all I will say about that. But tonight we might freeze to death. Hopefully not though.
What's the tent?
The tent is a Austral Tasman 4V Plus. The flat is here? Oh yeah, in an angle, yeah.
I think like that is that would be fine.
All right. Oh.
Oh, come on.
Okay. Oh, it's got the orange rope thing. Let's figure out how this works, eh? I'm assuming that goes like this. I figured it out.
Pitch on top. Straight. Okay, so because we're car camping in comfort, we're able to bring a few nicer pieces of bedding, like a duvet. But a quick tip is underneath all of this, we've got our hiking mattresses. So I've got my Thermarest Neo Air X-Therm, and Thais has her sleeping pad. What I've done is we've put a single fitted sheet around them, and that fits really nicely, and it helps to keep the mats together so they don't slide all over the place, and makes it way more comfier. So that's a quick tip. If you're using your mats for like car camping, just put a single fitted sheet around 2 of them, and it's so good. Absolute game changer for us. What are you talking about?
That's nice.
No, it's really nice. Got a view of the lake and the mountain. Awesome. Okay, so this is something that really annoys me, but we literally just got here, and around this fire pit, there's bits of bubble wrap, there was an old plastic bottle, there is old bits of half-burnt rubbish, there's plastic bits, there's all sorts of crap around here. And it's really annoying because it's such a shame that these beautiful spots, people just dump all their rubbish. So, yeah, I'll be packing all this out and taking it home with me. But, yeah, bit of a shame. Okay, this setup is really cool. Makes such a big difference having an actual proper car camping tent. We've been on a few trips where we've just used Tace's Mont Moon Dance, so the 2-person hiking tent, and this is like total luxury in comparison. We can actually stand up in there. It's awesome. Got our chairs, our little table, and then coming inside, got our full bed. The tent is 180 centimeters high, so I can stand up completely. It's going to be such a fun evening. It's a shame we're only here for one night, but unfortunately, that is life. And we'll be coming back soon. So yeah, it's really nice to get away for a bit. Okay, I don't know if you can see them on camera, but currently I'm wrapped up in a bunch of cobwebs, and there are a bunch floating around in the sky. It's been happening like all day, and it's been the past couple of days as well. So don't really know what it is or what kind of spider it is, but yeah, if someone does know, like there's a big, like just over there, there's a huge cobweb just flying through the sky. There's heaps of them. So yeah, if someone can tell me some information about them, that'd be pretty cool. Oh, so it's just a video of me watching you cut veggies?
No, could you bring the oil? You can season the vegetables. So while Zeb goes and... What are you doing?
Going to the toilet and getting water.
Just getting water for our pasta. So we are having vegetarian grillades, which I'm not sure if you call it like that everywhere in French-speaking countries, but growing up, grillades, I only had vegetarian ones because I'm vegetarian, but it basically consists, if you eat meat, it's sausages, so similar to here, I guess, barbecue. Grillade stands for barbecue. And just like every country has their own way of doing barbecues, I have my own way of doing it as well. Especially as a vegetarian, you have grilled veggies with salt, pepper, and this like aromat or garlic and herb seasoning. You have portobello, like grilled portobello mushrooms. You could have grilled tomatoes. And then the thing that's a bit different is we have a little bit of pasta on the side. We grill a special cheese that's called Tom, but I discovered that I could use brie or camembert to get the same effect, just not the same flavor. That's pretty much it. Yeah.
Yum. So good. Grilled veggies, pasta, and a brie on top. Can't go wrong. Got the campfire going and we're ready to eat. Alrighty, we're all nice and cozy in the tent now. It is cold outside. We've had a really nice evening. Dinner was really yum, and we even enjoyed some hot chocolates around the fire. Off to bed now. I'll see you in the morning. Good night. Good night.
Good night.
Can't see you. Well, good morning. As you might be able to tell, it's a bit foggy this morning. The wind picked up in the night, so I had to put all the guy lines out on the tent. And yeah, we're in a bit of a fog, so I can see a little bit of blue sky, so I'm hoping it burns off soon, but it's still quite cold. Very nice and warm in the tent last night, but definitely a chilly morning, especially with that wind. So let's get this fire going. Alrighty, breakfast update. The sun is starting to come out and it's starting to burn off the fog. We've got the Dutch oven on the flames. That's getting real nice and hot. And over here, I have heated up some frijoles. And we've got baguette. We're making a pico de gallo. And for breakfast, we're having molletes, which is basically bread, frijoles, cheese, and then a pico de gallo on top. It's really yum, and yeah, really looking forward to it. But that's our breakfast update so far. Stay tuned. Molletes for breakfast. Second batch is in the camp oven now. How are they? Oh yes, the sun is out. Yum.
They'll get covered quite on enough for now.
Yeah, the campfire just adds a different taste, eh? Let's have a peek.
Oh, that's good. That's good. That's good.
Should I pull them out?
Yeah.
Let's recharge our logs. Camp oven molletes. This actually worked out pretty well. Gotta be honest, I was
I'm so pleased.
I was skeptical at first.
Yeah.
I wasn't quite sure if we'd do it, but the Dutch oven's real good at it. It works really well. I wish I got the opportunity to use it more, but
We'll use it more.
yeah, we will.
It's just we can't use it if they don't allow fire. So.
No. Yum. Cheers. These ones didn't burn on the bottom because it's cooled down on the bottom now.
But they still have the little like charred, which is nice. So we have been sitting out here for the past hour after having breakfast, just trying to catch the sun and let it warm us up. But it's cold today, so we're gonna go and do our dishes and yeah, maybe just sit out here with a book for a little bit longer before we pack up and hit the road. But it's beautiful, look at this. I mean, this has been a good trial for what's coming up. And we definitely have thought of a few things we need to get, like a light in the tent, and I think we want to get a little tarp to protect the bottom of the tent. So yeah, there's a few things that we can add to our list now for our adventure.
And we're off. We had a really great time on this trip. Fantastic weather, great food, got in a bit of climbing, and yeah, it was really nice. Great camp spot. Did you have a nice time?
I loved it.
Yeah. No, it was really fun night out. Really glad to get away, and yeah, I hope you've enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers. Oh no, I didn't say goodbye to you. Say bye.
Bye!
Bye.